Introducing the LED muscle sensor matrix. What this does is it senses the electrical signals from your muscle and displays it on the LED screen. The harder you can track your muscle, the bigger the wave. Boom. Boom. Look, that's lit. And here we got neon red. Ooh, look at that. Ooh. And if you want, you could have two different colors, as you see here, red and blue. Kind of patriotic. You can also use this to sense your hand opening and closing. Check this out. Boom.
This is a file. This is another file.
Whoa.
Grab all of the data from a file. That would have more to do with.
Let's get started with the 3 main supplies you will need for this project. First up, we got our LED display. Now, you can use a smaller LED display, but I highly recommend this big boy right here because it is a lot more lit. Next up, we got our muscle sensor. In addition, you will need 3 of these electrodes. And to connect them, all you have to do is put them right here and... oh snap, they're connected. And lastly, we have our microcontroller. Now, it is a lot easier to use an Arduino, but if you're brave and ready for a challenge like I am, you can use a standard microcontroller and print your own circuit board. Look at those crisp traces. Now, if you do this and use your own circuit board, you'll have to use the correct voltage regulator, capacitors, the correct resistors, etc. This circuit board is irresistible. My circuit board has 2 power supplies. First up is this 9-volt battery. The 9-volt battery powers the entire board. Next up is this barrel connector. The barrel connector powers the LED matrix. We are using a separate power supply for the LED matrix because the LED matrix requires a lot of power. Also included on the board is this JTAG interface. The JTAG interface allows me to program the microcontroller on the board. Alright, I'm getting bored. Let's dive in and make this. Let's mill the circuit boards. Attach and solder the components. Things are getting heated. Let's solder on the muscle sensor wires. Connect the wires to the board. Pop in the battery. Attach the matrix to the pins. Connect the matrix to power. Now, let's program the microcontroller. I am using Atmel Studio. Now this is a sticky situation. Stick on the muscle sensor. Plug in the barrel connector. Flip the power switch and boom, we are detecting muscles. Full instructions and code can be found in the description. You can also use this muscle sensor to detect your eyebrow muscles.